Now we study practice set 4.1 question 7. Fill in the blanks. Point G is the center of triangle ABC. If length RG is equal to 2.5, then length GC is equal to calculate करायचं आहे. If length B is equal to 6, then we have to calculate length BQ. If length AP is equal to 6, then length AZ is equal to and length ZP is equal to we have to calculate. Now to study this, we first study the property of centroid of a triangle. Now this centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. This point G divide segment AP in the ratio 2:1. This is the property of centroid of a triangle. Means centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Now we use this property to study the example 7. RG is equal to 2.5, then GC is equal to calculate. Now solution. Centroid divides each median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore RG GC CG to length RG is equal to 2:1 because CG is 2 part and RG is 1 part. Now RG is equal to given, therefore CG upon RG 2.5 is equal to 2 upon 1. Now by cross multiplication, length CG is equal to 2.5 into 2, that is 5. Now second, if BC is equal to 6, then BQ is equal to calculate करना है. Now BC length BC to length BQ is equal to. Now BG 2 part है और BQ पूरा 2 plus 1 3 part, यानी 2:3. Therefore now BG की वैल्यू है 6 upon length BQ is equal to 2 upon 3. Now by cross multiplication, 2 into length BQ is equal to 6 into 3. Now length BQ is equal to 6 into 3 upon 2, that is 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Therefore length BQ is equal to 9. Now third, if AP is equal to 6, AP is equal to total distance दिया है 6, then we have to calculate AC and ZP. Now length AZ to length AP is equal to AG 2 part है और AP 3 part है. Now AP is equal to 6 दिया है, तो लेंथ AG कितना हो जाएगा, देखो AC अपॉन AP की वैल्यू है 6, then 2/3. Therefore length AC is equal to 6 into 2 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, length AC is equal to 2 2s are 4. And now GP. Now length AZ to length GP is equal to AG 2 part and GP 1 part. So 2 is to 1. Now therefore AZ is equal to 4 upon GP is equal to 2 upon 1. Now by cross multiplication, length GP into 2 is equal to 4 into 1 4. Now length GP is equal to 4 upon 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, means 2. So therefore length GC is equal to CG 5, BQ is equal to 9, and length AZ is equal to AZ की वैल्यू है इधर 4 and GP की वैल्यू है 2. In this way, the remaining example of practice set 4.1 is the homework.